Splay the legs of the center stand away from the base using the mounting bolt to hold in place. The easy-up center stand attaches to the crossmember of 2009 and later Harley Davidson Touring Models. The rear of the center stand clips along the back edge of the motorcycle crossmember. Ensure the frame spacer rails of the center stand are forward of the corner forgings of the motorcycle frame. If both frame spacer rails will not go forward of the corner forgings, rotate the center stand so the spacer rail on the clutch side of the motorcycle is forward of the corner forging. And tap the bottom of the center stand foot on the throttle side of the motorcycle with a dead blow hammer. If the center stand still will not move forward, slightly bend the back corners of the crossmember down using a crescent wrench or vice grips. Place the nut plate on top of the crossmember with the threads above the teardrop-shaped hole.